Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick eyebrow tutorial on how I like to do my eyebrows. I had a few people request this, so I'm going to just jump straight into this video and get started. I have absolutely no makeup on my face whatsoever, nothing on these eyebrows. Girl, I'm as natural as it gets. Okay, so if you would like to see how I do my brows, just keep on watching. So, the brush that I'm going to use to do my eyebrows is the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush. This is a dual-ended brush. It has two sides, one side to apply the product, and then on the other side is the little spoolie. To start off, you always want to brush your eyebrow hairs. Always, always, always. Having a nice, neat eyebrow is going to make applying the product so much easier. Going in with my Anastasia Dipbrow pomade. As you can tell, I use this very faithfully. I'm going to grab a little bit of product, and I'm just going to start off by drawing a line underneath my eyebrow. When I'm doing the front of my brow, I always do light little strokes, then I just draw a nice straight line underneath. Like that. And then I'm going to pick up some more product onto my brush, and then I'm going to do the top. And then doing the same thing that we did on the bottom of our brow, you're just going to draw a nice straight line. And you want to follow the shape of your natural brow. And then using the remaining product on the brush, I'm going to brush it through my hairs. Just lightly tapping the brush into the dip brow, I'm going to pick up a little bit more product, and then when I get to the front of my brow, I'm going to start brushing that product upwards. Very lightly. You want to do this very lightly, do light little strokes at the front of your brow. This is how you're going to achieve that fading effect. And then when you're pretty much done with applying the product to your brow, what I like to do is take the spoolie end of my brush, just brush through my hairs. And that's what the other brow looks like. So, you don't have to worry about doing it very precise and neat, only because when we go in with the concealer, it will clean up any little mistakes you may have made going outside of the line and whatnot. So that's the one brow that's done again, and then the brow that needs to be done. Now moving on to the next brow. Just following the same exact steps you did on your right side, we're going to do on the left side. We're going to draw a line underneath your brow, and then you're going to draw another line on the top of your brow. And now just doing the top. Remember to lightly stroke the product on in the front of your brow, and then draw a nice straight line following the shape of your natural brow. I take the lighter brown shade, this one right here, and I'll just pick up a little bit of that product, and I like to just feather this product into my brows just to kind of fill in any sparse areas where the dip brow pomade did not get and make them look more full. Okay, so the next step to doing your brows is, of course, cleaning them up with concealer. You can use whatever concealer you would like to use. Today I'm just going to go in with the Master Conceal by Maybelline in the shade Medium. So I'm going to use this to clean under my brow and on top as well. And then just using a flat brush. You can use a flat one like this, a rounded one. It doesn't matter. Whatever you got, use it. It'll work just the same. And I'm going to start cleaning my brow. And I always brush the concealer onto my eyelid as well, because I just use that for a base when I go in with my eyeshadow and stuff. And I'm gonna do the top of my brow. And I always extend that to the other side of my brow and I'll connect it. This to me is just, it kind of just makes it easier to tell if my brows are even or not. And see like how on this side I kind of went a little bit too far up and ended up getting the concealer into my brow. So usually to fix this, what I'll do is just grab the spoolie end of my brush and I'll brush it out. And then whatever like remaining product that is still on my brush, I'll just brush it into there. And it gets rid of the concealer in case, you know, you mess up and do this. That's how you could fix that. And just brushing the remainder of the concealer down onto my eyelid. I like to use this for a base when I'm doing my eyeshadow. And then I'm just taking my beauty blender and just blending the rest of that concealer out. Now, I cannot stress this step enough. I have to say it right now. Please do not leave your brows like this. Girl, no. Like, I know some people like this look. I don't like it. Blend the concealer in the middle, please. So always blend the concealer in the middle so your brows ain't looking like some damn wings and they're about to fly away on your ass. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. brow gel and I'm going to set my brow hairs in place. And that, my loves, is how I do my eyebrows. Every time I do my brows, they never come out the same every time, I swear. Like, every time I do my brows, some days they look bomb. Other days, they look alright. And I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I do my brows and I'm just like, damn, what the fuck did I just do? So, you know, it's really just how the day is, I guess, because not every time I do my brows, they're perfect. So now that my eyebrows are complete and I got my brows on fleek, that kind of rhymes. But anyways, now that my eyebrows are on fleek, I'm gonna just do the rest of my face off of camera because my battery's about to die. See y'all in a bit. So I'm back. I did my makeup off camera. So this is like the complete look with, you know, brows, full face of glam, all that. So I went ahead and filmed a little tutorial on how I created this look. Oh, if you guys would like to see that, leave a thumbs up. I'll go ahead and edit it and post it and all that stuff. I hope this video was helpful for those of you who requested it. Thank you so much for viewing my channel today. If you like this eyeshadow look, leave a thumbs up. If you like my eyebrow tutorial, leave a thumbs up. If you like me, leave a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Back to my channel. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for coming to view my channel today. Today's video is just going to be a quick bit. Starting over. Okay. Gotta make sure my hair look good and whatnot.